Hello friends. Today we're going to learn about opposite words, words that mean totally different things. Let's have fun with some easy examples. Opposite words with examples. 1. Big e small. Elephant is big, mouse is small. 2. Hot cold. Tea is hot, ice cream is cold. 3. Fast slow. Cheetah runs fast, turtle walks slow. 4. Happy, sad. This girl is happy. This girl is sad. 5. Up, down. Balloon goes up, rain falls down. 6. In, out. The elephant is in the box. The elephant is out. 7. Day, night. Sun shines in the day, moon comes at night. 8. Open, closed. Door is open, window is closed. 9. Tall, short. Giraffe is tall, rabbit is short. 10. Loud, quiet. Drum is loud, whisper is quiet. 11. Clean, dirty. My hands are clean, but the table is dirty. 12. Heavy, light. The box is heavy, the balloon is light. 13. New, old. I got a new toy, and my sister has an old one. 14. Strong, weak. The elephant is strong, the kitten is weak. 15. Near, far. The boy is near. The girl is far. 16. Full, empty. This glass is full of water. This glass is empty. 17. High, low. The kite is flying high, the ball is lying low. 18. Soft, hard. The pillow is soft, the rock is hard. 19. Sweet, sour. Mango is sweet, lemon is sour. 20. On, off. The fan is on, now it is off. Great job, kids. Now you know 20 opposite word pairs. Keep learning and looking around you, you'll find opposites everywhere. See you next time. Bye-bye.